Because it is called a wig does not mean it must imitate white women's hair. So I decided to make this one looking African and Afrocentric. Okay. So let me show you how I arrive at that. I got this full lace net and it came with adjustable, as you can see already. And I'm going to turn it over to the other side and just simply place it on my mannequin head. Look at my finger right here. This is where my hair or the ventilation is going to stop, and I'm just going to follow that through. So I got this kinky hair from a beauty supply store. It is a 4C hair, a 4C kinky hair. It comes in a pack and it's pretty long. So I'm just going to be cutting for the back, cutting into 4 portions for the back. Okay, so like so, as you can see, I'm going to be cutting this into 4. Next, you're going to be needing your ventilating needle, your ventilating pin, and I'm going to be focusing first on the side that has the adjustable straps. Mind you, it is turned over, so this other part, after turning it over, you would find a net so you can actually ventilate on it. Okay, so if you've never ventilated before, just take a chippy and watch this video to the very end. I got you. Now I'm going to take this kinky hair and fold it like so and grip it with my fingers and then just go over and start ventilating like this. So you pick some strands of hair, like 3 strands of hair. Gently take your ventilating pin and pass it through the hole, a hole at a time. Pass it through the hole, then take some strands of hair, pick and turn, and just like this. I don't know. Let's do that again. Put the needle through, pick some strands of hair, turn and bring it out, and then pass the needle through, put some strands of hair, and then turn like this. Okay. So here is where we are at right now, and if you see my nails, please don't laugh. I beg you. Backstory: I had an event over the weekend. I needed to look all snatched up and glammed up, so I decided to go fix my nails. In the process, the nails wasn't properly done well, so it started falling off, and some were stuck to the nails. I could not get them out. Mm. I had to just allow it pass through the process so that I would not end up giving myself incur injuries on my nails. So that is why I'm having my nails like this. Please pardon me for this sight. I know it is looking funny. Okay. So far, so good. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do well to subscribe to this channel because on here it is very lit. We learn a lot and I would love you to join the family. Please do well to subscribe. And then, so far, have you given this video a thumbs up? Have you liked this video? It's one of those beautiful things we do on here. Please give this video a thumbs up so that the algorithm will recommend this video to so many people like yourself. Okay, and then do well to share this video to your family and friends. As we continue with this video, have you subscribed? Have you liked? Have you done those beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff? Just comment what you think so far in the comment section as we move on. As you can see, I'm almost done with this section, like this 1/4. Yeah, 1/4 portion of the wig making process. Sorry, and I'll just go off camera and get it almost done, almost complete, and then I'll explain some other details I know you would find helpful, especially how we're going to make the front look so realistic. So now this is another day entirely, and you already know that ventilating process is it takes time, okay? So it's for those that have patience. If you have patience enough, you'll be able to ventilate. And please, this hair took me a while to make. So can you just kindly appreciate the time spent by liking this video or dropping that sweet comment, and I would really and totally appreciate. So back to the tutorial proper again. So for this front part, unlike the way I made the back part, the back portion I used 3 strands of hair, 4 strands of hair to make it thick. Okay, but for this back part, I'm going to be making use of 2 strands of hair. Okay, so I'm going to be making use of 2 strands of hair. I'm going to be I'm going to be leaving space every other hole. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm going to be leaving every other hole. I'm going to be spacing, ventilate one hole, leave a space, ventilate the next, leave a space, ventilate the next. I'll just do that and just move gradually. So quickly to the front, I'll just slow this down so that you see it clearly and properly. I'm going to be leaving a line and then a hole. Horizontally, I'm leaving a line. Vertically, I'm leaving a hole. And then I'm going to be using 2 strands of hair, and I'm going to be making it double knots. Double knots so that because this particular hair is thick, so that when you're trying to like stretch it out or brush it out or trying to make it, because you can actually braid this, because the full frontal you can just decide to braid it like how you braid your own hair. So that is why the front, as I moved closer to the front and I used lesser strands of hair, I made it double knot. Double knot simply means I'm going to be knotting it twice. Okay, so just what I'm talking about, taking this hair right now, passing it through 1, 2, I made it what? Double knots method. Okay, so So yeah, I'm almost done with this hair, with this wig, and I hope you like it so far so good. I'm just going to show you the end result from here, and here is what it is looking like, guys. So because this wig is Afrocentric, I'm not going to be using this white dummy, okay? I needed this because it's more easier for me to handle. So I'll just switch this dummy to my black dummy head. Here you have it, guys. Isn't she beautiful? I love it already. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this enough. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.